The last part of chalkboards are checkpoints. These are planned pauses built into the chalkboard to allow for student interaction. To create a checkpoint, click the Manage Checkpoint link and then the Add Checkpoint icon. There are 4 different types of checkpoints you can create. There's a button, which functions well as a way to make sure the student is present and ready to proceed. The password checkpoint forces the user to enter their password in order to continue. True, false, and multiple choice checkpoints both allow you to ask a question that the student has to answer, whether it's about the course material or something else. Each option will allow you to add the prompt or question, a timeout value in which the student has to interact with the checkpoint, as well as what happens if the student does or does not fulfill the prompt within the time allotted. After customizing your checkpoint, click Save and continue to set the time the checkpoint will take place. Setting the timestamp for checkpoints is the same as for slides and chapters. You can manually type in the begin time or play and pause to find the correct timing. Once set, checkpoints will appear in the bottom timeline as bullet points similar to chapters. Now that we've added all of the elements to our chalkboard, we can go back to the Element Manager and put on the finishing touches. The Require Completion field allows us to choose what percentage of the chalkboard the student must watch for the element to be considered complete. Our default is 95%, but this can be changed. It's important to know that if you mark the completion to 100%, oftentimes, depending on the browser that the student uses, the tracking markers may not pick up on all of the student's progress and will mark the element as incomplete even if the student has watched the entire chalkboard. Therefore, we recommend never setting completion requirements to over 95%. To finalize your chalkboard, make sure to switch the Active Element toggle to On and then click Save. You will still be able to edit even after the element is made active.